Today I show you how to use if and if else in Java. Let's start. We create a new project, and in that project we select command line app from the project template. We name our project, let's say lesson 7, and then click finish. We write our code in the main class. Okay, so let's say we have characters called C, and this will be a genders, and this gender will be, let's say, M for male. So it will say if genders equals male, and then we'll say you are a girl, for example. Okay, and if it's not M, so it can be something else, but we can say that you are a boy. Okay, so then just run it. So because we have gender is M, so we receive this one. Okay, so this is one example. We can have another example. Let's say we have a number, and that's the month. So you know that month will start from 1 to 12 and from January to December. So we can have a condition if month equal 1. We can system out, this is January and else. And if continue, months equals 2, we can say system out, and then this will be February, and so on. Okay, so we can finish that, by, saying something, okay, add the months, for example. Okay, and then we hit the run button, and we'll see, we receive the value January. If we change this one to, for example, 2, we receive another value called February. Okay, and we can have another example with if and else. So for example, if we have a student max, which is like 4.5, so this is definitely a fail max. So we can have condition if max less than 5, then we can system out fail, for example. And if and else, so if it's greater than 5, then we'll say this is pass, for example. Okay, let's hit the run button and see what happens. Okay, so this is fail. If we change this one to 5, for example, and we hit the run button again, and we see the value pass. Okay, so if and else is quite easy and simple to use in Java. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.